Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to deactivate your CBD bank account. First, gather your original Emirates ID and any other identification documents you might have, like your passport. Next, make sure to update or cancel any direct debits or standing orders linked to your account. Finally, confirm that there are no pending transactions or holds on your account before proceeding with the closure process. Before visiting the branch, it's crucial to settle all financial obligations. This includes clearing any outstanding loans, credit card balances, or overdrafts associated with your account. Also, retrieve or cancel any checks you may have issued to avoid potential legal complications. Your account balance must be zero before closure, so transfer all funds out. The next step is to visit your nearest CBD bank branch in person. Remember to bring your original Emirates ID, as this is the primary document required for verification. Once there, inform a customer service representative that you wish to close your bank account. They will guide you through the necessary paperwork and confirm all details. After submitting your request, inquire about any potential account closure fees. Accounts open for less than 6 months might incur a fee, typically around AED 100 to AED 150. The bank will process your request, and you should receive a confirmation of your account's deactivation within a few business days. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.